Hey folks, this is immigration attorney Hassan Abdullah, and I'm preparing this video to show and expose the deception, lying, cheating that USCIS is having their immigration reviewing officers perpetrate. Now, there's no way around it. There's something very strange and very improper going on, and I'm going to expose it because this is not the first time I'm seeing this mischaracterization happening. Now, just to get right into it as quickly as possible, we file H1B petitions frequently, and one of those types of cases we do is for a software developer. So in this particular case, we filed an H1B for a software developer, and you can see this table here, and it's listing various companies, their types of the type of the company and the size of the company, the job posting, the occupation posted, and the degree requirements. Now, when we filed this case initially, here's what was submitted. We also submitted this table when we filed this case for a software developer. And one way to prove a case, a software developer qualifies as a specialty occupation, is you show job postings. And we got a selection of 8 job postings. Now, here is the summary of these postings. You can see all of them have 1 to 50 employees with the exception of XL Alpha. And you can see all of them are software engineer or software developer jobs. And you can see all of them require at least a bachelor's degree in computer science. All of them. And so that's one thing. Let's just go over this. USCIS, however, said Ted's, for example, is not similar. It's a very large chain restaurant. Now, give me a break, because in this filing, we submitted a posting for Ted's. That was one of the companies. And now you can see here, it is very clearly identified as an information technology company, not a restaurant. And even on their website, this is what USCIS received. It says, our talent acquisition and staffing solutions. This is a staffing solutions consulting company, and that's what the evidence shows. USCIS is saying, nope, it's a large chain restaurant. Now you might think, okay, maybe they just made a mistake, and let's see what else. Well, let's go to TechRev. They say it's not a similar company, and the number of employees was not listed. And they also say no specific field was listed in the job posting. Really? Let's go and have a look. TechRev. Was a field listed? This is an entry-level software engineering job, and specifically qualifications and education requirements, BS, BA degree in information technology, computer science, or related technology field. So they're saying that no field was listed. What do you call information technology, computer science, and a related technology field? Fields were listed, but they're saying no field was listed. They're saying it's not a similar company. The case this is respectively for is for a consulting company, an IT company, and no number of employees were listed. Well, what do you call this? We're at our Glassdoor profile, and it lists information technology and 1 to 50 employees. They're saying, nope, you didn't list any number of employees. We don't have anything to go off of for employees, and it's not a similar company. Now, next we have XL Alpha. Now, here's the kicker. Here's where things get kind of silly. They're saying that the number of employees is twice as much as your organization. Okay. So, and they're saying it's not similar, despite the fact that our client is a consulting company. When you actually look at this, they're right. It's a bigger company. Well, I lost the place, but it's XL Alpha. So XL Alpha is here, and it has 51 to 200 employees. Aha! So they realize, and they went off this to determine it is a considerably bigger company. We just kind of threw that in, kind of just to give some variety in size in case we have a bigger client. The point is we want to show even the smallest of companies require a degree in computer science or related fields. But they acknowledge that it's twice as big as our organization. Okay. then why are you saying in every single one of these you can't determine the size of the organization? Except conveniently for XL Alpha, you can determine the size of the organization. How is that? How does that work? How does that work? And again, global case technology. They don't know the size. They don't know the job title. They don't have a job nor a degree requirement. Really? Well, let's have a look. Global case technologies. This is just ridiculous. You can see how frustrating this is. Global case technologies. Software developer? Really? So we don't have a job title? Then what do you call software developer entry level? We don't have any qualifications listed. Really? Then what do you call bachelor's of science in management information systems or computer science? We don't have the size of the company or the nature of the company. It's a business services company with 1 to 50 employees. All of these details are there, but they're saying, nope, we don't see it. We don't see it. We don't see it. Unboxed technology can't determine whether this entity is similar to the petitioner. Really, you can't determine if it's similar to the petitioner. Unboxed Technology is an information technology company, and it has 1 to 50 employees, small size company. They create high-tech training tools. They're a technology company. And so the computer science requirement, they can't even say, okay, bachelor's degree in computer science. They at least admitted to that. But you can see they're trying to discount all of them, either, and it's just straight up lies. Synergistic IT can't determine the size, no job title, no degree. So this is a 0 for 3, right? Synergistic IT. Is it really? Let's go and see. Synergistic IT. We have Java developer entry level. There's a job title. Required qualifications, computer science, MIS, IT. They're saying there's no requirement listed. How can you come to that conclusion when obviously the job posting says that? No job title listed. We have a job title. You can't determine the size. Again, we have our Glassdoor profile, and it's information technology, 1 to 50 employees. Same type of company. It's just really just beyond belief. And here's their website. Exactly the type of company our client is. A staffing, ERP solution, IT training. This is what our client is. And they're saying, nope, it's not similar. Then we have Palo Alto Technology. We don't know the size. We don't have the degree requirements. Really? You don't know the size or the degree requirements. Well, what do you call this? 4-year degree in computer science or related fields or expertise. That's a requirement. It's saying right here, experience and education requirements. And they're saying we haven't, we can, what requirements? We don't see any requirements. Where? What requirements? There's no requirements listed in the job. And then they're also furthermore saying that can't determine the size. Really, 1 to 50. We underline these damn things. Information technology, you know? And then finally, can't determine the size for com IT enterprise. No job title. This is again an 0 for 3 one. Really, 0 for 3? Com IT enterprises, software developer entry level. What is going on here, USCIS? What are you doing? Objectives and responsibilities. Okay, bachelor's degree in computer science. Again, information technology, 1 to 50 employees. We have their website. Again, this is a technology consulting company, very obviously listed on their website. What is going on? How many mistakes can USCIS make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 mistakes. 15 mischaracterizations. How is that possible? I need to bring this to light. And USCIS obviously is doing something differently. We are seeing statistics that are proving that USCIS is all of a sudden denying many more cases, and it's and RFEing cases at unprecedented levels. So this needs to be put to an end. And thanks for watching. That's all for me for now. Bye for now.